How to deposit money from bank account to your BYBIT account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bittrex, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit money onto your BYBIT through your bank account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your BYBIT. You can do so on the web or you can do so on the application. Here you want to simply go ahead and log in. Now unfortunately I'm unable to log in here, but once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to simply head over to the buy crypto option. So first you want to head over to the buy crypto option, and there you want to head over to the fiat deposit pays. Once you can simply go ahead and head over to the deposit option. Once the prompts are completed, the funds will be credited into your funding account and you can purchase your crypto using the fiat balance anytime. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.